And this month we are using essential oils to make really fun recipes with soap and something new.
And we're tickled pink about our new product that we're about to offer.
Pink mica powder. This all-natural powder with no synthetic dyes can be used to make your products pop with a really fun pink.
Let's check it out.
In every Simply Earth recipe box, we give you 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipes, plus extra ingredients to make them. In this box, we have head soothing oil, mandarin, cypress, and grapefruit. Combination of citrusy and woodsy smells that are going to be so fun to create recipes with.
And for your extras in this month's box, we have a glycerin melt and pour soap base, a little cute mold to make all of your soap recipes, and raspberry mica powder.
Woo woo! And with every recipe box, you get 6 recipe cards and labels.
And as a new subscriber, and for every 6 boxes that you purchase, you get a big bonus box. So inside your big bonus box comes beeswax, solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, 6 of your 10 milliliter roll-on bottles to make all of your fun roll-on recipes, and 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles to make all of your diffuser blends.
Shiloh, what's your favorite recipe this month?
I love this eye and cheek tint. It's super fun and I'm super excited to use it later on.
My girls, when I made this recipe, took it from me and ran. They had so much fun playing with this cheek and eye tint. And it's great because I feel confident with them playing with it because I know it's all natural. My favorite recipe this month is unicorn soap. It goes in this super cute flower mold and it's inspired by my daughter Gloria, who just absolutely loves unicorns. To learn how to make these recipes, go to simplyearth.com/box.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe now button to get all of the really fun recipes that we make in this box.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.